Hello kids, I am Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, The Treasure Within. Part 1. Etsy. I used to have this terrible nightmare, only now, over the last 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. BR. What nightmare you are talking about and why do you think it has disappeared now? I used to get continuous nightmare about appearing for a math exam where I did not know anything. Now the psych must have been forgotten over it. I don't have to think about education and there is absolutely no time to get nightmares. Tell us something about your earliest memories in school. In the first and the second year, I was a good student. After I reached the third standard, I simply lost interest and I never studied. I used to be interested in games, running around, playing jokes and pranks on others. I would copy in class during exam time. I would try to get hold of the examination paper that had been prepared and study it, as I could not remember things that have been taught me in the class. However, later one sentence spoken to me by my principal changed my life. When I approached to 11th standard, the principal called me and said, "Look here, son, I have been seeing you since day one. You are a good student, but you never studied. I have taken care of you till today. Now I cannot no longer take care of you. So you do it yourself." He talked to me for 5 minutes. "You don't have your father. Your mother had worked so hard to bring you up and paid all the fees all these years, but you have only played games. Now you should raise your occasions and study." I used to be a very good sportsman. I had been the senior champion for many years and I also was the cricket captain. I used to play every game, but the year I did not step out on the field, I would go to prayers and I would do was eat and study. I normally used to copy and pass, but I realized that once I was in SSC, I could not do when I passed a second class. 50% is my SSC, my principal said, "Son, consider yourself as having got this distinction." This is my memory of my school days. I did a lot of things to get other things. See, as far as my things are concerned, I cannot remember. I've forgotten things very easily. To remember, I have to see things as photographs. I read a book and I can remember the matter as a photograph, but cannot though my mind. That is how it works. When you were in school and you were doing badly, did the teacher pull you up and how did you feel? I never felt anything on being pulled up. I used to be so interested in playing. I would receive a caning every week. When you knew that you had incurred the wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly, then you knew that you would get a caning. What was that state of your mind? State of my mind? Just lift up the hand and they would cane me you. It would hurt badly and they could have to forget about it because I wanted to go and play. Have you ever felt insecure or threatened? I was just interested in playing and nothing else. I was not most interested in funny pranks. One day I did not want to study, so I created a distraction. For 1 whole hour we played chore police. Every Saturday we all were allowed to go into town to see a movie. So I would do was have no lunch and collect money 40 50 students and run and buy tickets on my way back. I would earn to my heart contents. I used to be the leader of the gang. We would have gang fights and plan strategies. The thing used to interest me more than any academies. Students here used to buy my textbook for the following year because they were almost brand new. I probably opened them one day before exam. Thank you.